Welcome back to ASVAB Roadmap. Today, we're going to talk about equations with two variables. So let's get started. In this section, you will learn how to find the value of an expression when given the values of the variable, solve for one variable in terms of another, find the values of two different variables when given two equations. Sometimes, a problem will give you the numerical value of the variables and ask you for the value of an expression with those variables in it. To solve, just plug the values into the equation. Be sure to follow the rules of PEMDAS, and be careful with your calculations. Let's do an example. If x equals 15 and y equals 10, what is the value of 4x times x minus y? To begin solving, we plug 15 in for x and 10 in for y. Then we use PEMDAS to solve for the rest. Sometimes you are given an equation with two variables and asked to solve for one variable in terms of the other. This means that you must isolate the variable for which you are solving on one side of the equation and put everything else on the other side. In other words, when you're done, you'll have x, or whatever the variable is, on one side of the equation and an expression on the other side. Let's do another example. Solve 7x plus 2y equals 3x plus 10y minus 16 for x in terms of y. Subtract 2y from both sides to get all the y's on one side of the equation. Subtract 3x from both sides to get all the x's on the other side of the equation. Divide both sides by 4 to isolate x. The solution for x in terms of y is 2y minus 4. And that is how you solve equations with two variables. In the next video, we're going to talk about systems of equations. I'll see you there.